Okay, welcome, good morning, and welcome to my Health Hacks 109 topics to have a healthy, super healthy lifestyle. Super healthy lifestyle. Today is episode number 3. I'm going to talk about 10 health hacks for a beginner. I come across lot of customers who are already realize the importance of the health now post COVID. So they want to start it very slow. If you are an aggressive follower, you can start exercises, and you are a disciplined person, you can start very aggressively. But I'm going to talk about health hacks, 10 health hacks, very simple to follow for a beginner when you started realizing the health hacks. These are the health hacks, these are the habits, so that you follow those habits and then can increase it. The first one is there, grab and go. I'm going to tell 10. First is grab and go. Whenever you are having dinner in the evening, just grab and go, eat and go to sleep. Like you have to have a high protein and high fiber breakfast, or high protein and high fiber dinner instead of having a carbohydrate. So you have to arrange those things near your dining table. Just grab and go. Very easy to change your carbohydrate diet. The second one is there, that is have a peace with your plate, because when you have your lunch or dinner, it is occupied with so many things, so it is very much inside, but you have to give little space to your plate. What you have to do is just see your feast and you take handful of the food at one time. Just take one feast, finish that, then take a second feast. It is a habit that so many people take one bowl, two bowl of vegetable, 4 chapatis, 4 bowls of rice. So just eat one feast, complete that, then go for a next. So in a short way, that takes small portions of the meal. The third one is there, just pull the plug. Pull the plug. When we have to pull the plug, just 2 hours before going to bed, you have to unplug yourself from your mobile, from your PC and all electronic items, and just have and reflect yourselves. Maybe you can listen to some audio which is away from you, and you can have a book besides you and do that. The fourth one is there, that is whenever you go to the supermarket, just go into small periphery. Don't take a round of the supermarket, because whenever you go to the supermarket, you get attracted towards attractive packaging and you bring those things which you don't need. So you go to your area, what you want, and just pick up that and come. This is just to avoid to bring unhealthy snacks. The next is there, check out before you take out. Check out before you take out. It is said like that, whenever you want to improve in your diet, please take out the information before relying on someone, especially about the nutrition, because there are so many free advisors. They will keep on dadi maa ke nuske, they will keep on telling, but really find out what are the nutrition facts. Are you completing your nutrition facts? If not, eat smart way. It is very difficult to eat hard way and complete your nutritional requirements in this busy and high-paced lifestyle. In that case, you cannot fulfill your vitamins and mineral requirements, protein requirements from your normal diet. And being a male person, if you are a male person, you cannot tell your wives to prepare that if she's also working. So best way to supplement your diet with natural protein powder and natural supplements, whatever is required for you. For that, you take advice of the nutritionist. The next one is there, raise your heart rate and raise the desk. Whenever you are working, and especially for those who are working from home and working on a PC in a sitting, always better every after half an hour, you just get up. That will increase your heart rate. If you are having a working lifestyle, sitting in one bench, that is very dangerous. The next step is there, that is mind your waist. Do you know that the greater the waist size, the greater chances are for dementia? I know you are shocked now. Greater the size of your waist, greater the chances to have dementia, that you will keep forgetting. So better that you reduce your waist, reduce your belly by taking advice from the nutritionist. How can I reduce my belly fat without exercises or with exercises? These are very, very simple health hacks I'm giving. I'm not going to tell in this video that you have to exercise very aggressively, you have to have very balanced diet, and that is required. But these tips are specially for busy people, occupied lifestyle, working from home, and who have just started realizing that they have to use health as a priority. Next tip is their green god. Just believe in green fruits and green vegetables. In the morning, have green smoothie, lots of green vegetables. The next is there that more ways to do your exercises. Use of elevators or maybe use of stairs is recommended. That will give you better relief. The next one is go for nuts. Go for nuts. Wow, I heard that his waist was 38 and now he has reduced to 32. Thanks, following those small and effective tips. Thank you, Akesh. Yes, thank you so much that you are told that I'm an authority to say. Yes, definitely I help many people to reduce their belly, reduce their waist size by our program of Bellicious BK45 in 40 days. Fat belly to flat belly in just 45 days without disturbing your schedule and without much exercise. The one more tip is that I want to tell is you eat in very, very small portions. So these are the 10 tips I have told. That the first one is their green grab and go high protein and high fiber diet. Second is the keep